let us start the presentation and a very warm good afternoon to everybody.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Keep your cameras on, otherwise you will be removed.
Danapur Bank Colony, 6 October 2021. To the editor, the
Alright,
Hindu
I cannot hear you. Have you logged in? Speak into the camera.
Danapur Bank Colony, 6 October 2021. To the editor, the Hindu newspaper, Patna. Subject: complaining about noise pollution. Respected sir, through your estimate newspaper, I would like to bring attention of people towards the ever increasing problems of noise pollution. I am a resident of Bank Colony, as this colony is situated on way of Danapur. It suffers from noise pollution in a big way. Nowadays, noise pollution has become a big problem in our localities. People are playing music on loudspeaker with high volume. Old people and patients of heart problems suffer too much. Students who are preparing for exam cannot concentrate on studies. People who wish to pray to God cannot pray within devotion. Ordinary people also cannot do any work or sleep. Newborn babies and infants cannot complain, but they do suffer a lot. Not only human beings, pets, animals, and birds also suffer. With loud volumes, people can also become deaf. Therefore, I requested you to give us some space on your newspaper to put pressure on the concerned authorities to solve a problem immediately so that noise pollution will stop. Thanking you, yours sincerely, Anamika.
Yes, okay, next. Shivam Kumar.
To the Director NGO, Khagadia, Bihar. Date 4th October 2021. Subject: I want to help your organization. Dear Sir या Madam, I am a student of BCA AQ first sem and I am kind-hearted person. I am lover of humanity. I would like to start to help with something for your organization. I want to help your organization. Looking forward to your reply. Your truly Shivam Kumar Khagaria, Bihar.
Okay.
Thank you.
But what did you want from the recipient? उनसे क्या आप चाहते थे? वो तो आप करें ना कि how do you want to help? You did not ask for anything. Please please let me know how can I help you. Please, if there is any program, please support me. Please send me any program. सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में आपको लिखना होगा ना कि आप उनसे क्या चाहते हैं, आप क्या चाहते हैं, वो क्या एक्शन लें. ठीक है, दिस विल बी द सेकेंड पैराग्राफ. यस, नेक्स्ट. डू नॉट वेस्ट टाइम. भैया सोनाली.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today our presentation topic is business letter writing. Boring Road, Patna, Brindeshwari Shivu Apartment, 6 October 2021. To the editor, the Hindustan newspaper. Subject: water conservation. Respected sir, hello. I am Sonali Kumari, student of Chemist Professional College, Patna, and I am a BCS first year student. I am writing this letter with concern regarding the poor condition of roads. During rainy season, there is water logging everywhere, which makes it difficult for the people to walk or ride their bicycle or even car and motorcycle. It is extremely dangerous for people to come out of their house during rainy season, as there are potholes on the road, which further lead accident. Not only accident become a concern, but for people living near such area are also at risk due to born of various diseases like dengue, and awareness must be created regarding this condition. So it is humble request that you highlight this issue in your newspaper and spread awareness among the public. Media is one of the most powerful tools these days. It holds the power to make and break the kingdom and can definitely inform the government and the public to be more responsible toward water problems and measure for improving the roads. I hope you will consider this small request and take action on it. Thanking you, yours sincerely, Sonali.
I hope you will consider. Yes, next. If you want to share the screen, you can do that. You're almost 63.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. It's Selduraj here. I'm going to present business letter written by me. To start in Selduraj LV1 Entry Center, New Kakindu Road, Patna. 5th of October 2021. To the director,
Abhishek Kumar.
Society for the Disabled, Vasant Vihar, New Delhi. Subject: asking about different schemes and programs. Respected sir.
Hello, you're not audible. Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible? Hello, ma'am. I'm audible. Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
You're almost 63. आप audible नहीं हो.
Hello, ma'am. Am I audible now? Hello, ma'am. Am I audible?
Hello. Can you hear me?
Is my voice audible? Ma'am?
क्या आपको आवाज आ रही है? All right, moving on to Kamini Kumari.
First of all, a lovely good afternoon to all of you. Myself Kamini. Today I am representing order letter.
Why myself? My name is.
Then I am starting in presentation. Mandeshwari Lane, Patna 8-1, Mooring Road, XYZ Company, date 6 October 2021. Subject for order of 20 samples of your new products. Dear sir or ma'am,
I think the topic was you are writing a personal yet official letter of any concern or any issue. I did not ask you to write just any letter. On the basis of the sample which I gave you. Read it anyway. Read.
my name is Kamini Kumari. I would like to order 20 samples of your new product because we want to try out your new product. If trial will be successful, then we shall give order of your product. Please send me payment details. I shall try to pay as soon as possible. Looking forward for your shipment. Your faithfully Kamini Kumari, ward number 4, Sasaram Road, Vikramganj, Rohtas, pin code 8022.
All right. Write any social cause. Any help you would like to extend. Yes, Abhishek.
There is a camera problem. Only reading the letter.
Keep your camera on
Camera खराब है.
and share with somebody else.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Abhishek Kumari. I attended an registration letter in inauguration of Seamless University. The Seamless College is Boarding Road, Patna. 6th October 2022. The destination is State Patna, Gazipur. Subject: inauguration of Seamless University. Respected sir, I am the director of Seamless College. I have decided to open a university, the best of my college in Bihar. I have recorded the highest ranking in the last many years. The advisors of my college suggested me to open this university. So I request you to give your precious time as a chief guest of the inauguration. Once again, I request you to give your precious time. Yours faithfully, Neeraj Agarwal, Seamless College.
But they should have taken your name, no? All right. ठीक, आपकी सोच बहुत बड़ी है. सोच ठीक है, अच्छा है. Supposing you were the director, what would you do? Yes, next. Jaya Bharti.
Good afternoon, all of you.
Remove your mask.
Today I am going to speak a business letter on complaining. Manufacturers Limited, 123 Alphabet Drive, Basant Bihar, New Delhi. Pin code 110001. Date 5th October 2021. Subject regarding defect in newly purchased washing machine. Dear ma'am, I am a student of Simage College. My name is Jaya Bharti. I recently purchased a washing machine from your shop and now it's not working properly. It is making a lot of noise whenever it gets started and also taking a lot of time in washing clothes. It's my humble request to you to kindly replace it and provide me the proper working washing machine as soon as possible because it's the essential thing for household chores. Looking forward to your reply. Your truly Jaya Bharti, 19 Boring Road, Patna. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, is there anybody else? Setu Raj, are you audible now? आप अपने को अनम्यूट तो करो पहले.
I am unmuted. Here it shows
What are you saying? I'm not able to understand. Huh? You are not audible.
I think there is some technical
Yeah, some technical issue. Is there anybody else? You. Shivani.
Good afternoon, everyone. The director, Simis Professional College, 6th October 2021. Subject, asking financial support to help the homeless kid. Respected sir, my name is Shivani Mishra and I am the student of Simis Professional College. With due respect, I would like to state that I and my classmates are planning to conduct a fundraising event for homeless kids in our state. The purpose of this letter is to ask you for financial support by donating any amount for this cause to achieve a goal. Your donation will go to ABC Kids Care non-profit organization. Sir, we are very excited to support the homeless kid. If you have any queries, please do contact us or visit our website. Thank you for your continuous support. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Shivani.
Yes, that's good. Anybody from the back bench? The back benchers are no contribution from your side. Letter writing is something which you need to do every day. Only practice will make you perfect. नहीं लिखा आप लोगों ने? क्यों नहीं लिखा? Yes. You all need to do your homework, huh?
Good afternoon, everyone. Simage College, Industrial Area, Patna, 80001, 5th October 2021. Society for the Disabled, E12, Basant Bihar, New Delhi, 110016. Subject, excited to help disabled. Respected sir or ma'am, my name is Suman Kumari and I am the student of Siemens Professional College, Patna. I am doing graduation from here through Aryabhat Knowledge University and right now I am in BCA first semester. I am a philanthropist, so the advertisement that you have published in the Times of India attracted me the most. So I decided to work with your organization in which you are going to help the disabled of the country. I am very excited from the beginning to support your innovative idea. So you can give me all the information about the way I can collect and donate the money to you. I will feel very happy by doing all this. Looking forward for your reply. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Suman Kumari. And B, either you can contact me or you can send the letter to the above address. Thank you.
That's it. That's about all, I think. I don't see any hands raised. Neither do I see any students sitting at home with their cameras on. People who are offline, they can keep it off, but then students who are online, they need to keep their cameras on. Otherwise, definitely they will be marked absent. Still, students are not with their cameras on. With the cameras on off, you will be marked absent. So this was the letter of some social concern. What will you keep in mind when you are writing a formal letter? A formal letter has a format which needs to be followed. A typical letter format is sender's address. What do you mean by sender's address? Please respond. Those who have not done their homework, they need to respond. Okay. Then the date, name, designation of addressee. What do you mean by designation of addressee? Yes, what do you mean by designation? क्या किस पोस्ट पे क्या डेजिग्नेशन है? मैनेजर है, अकाउंट्स हेड है, मार्केटिंग हेड है, डेजिग्नेशन. व्हाट डू मीन बाय एड्रेसी? जिसको एड्रेस किया जा रहा है, इनसाइड एड्रेस. डेजिग्नेशन उनका एंड उनका एड्रेस. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय नहीं, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सैल्यूटेशन? रेफरेंस भी रहेगा, अगर ज़रूरत होगा तो बनाएंगे, नहीं तो नहीं. लेकिन ऑफिशियल में मोर और लेस रेफरेंस रहता ही रहता है. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय सैल्यूटेशन? Why? What is the importance of subject line? What is the importance of subject line? I want some response from people at the back. Subject line का क्या importance है? हाँ? The purpose of the letter. The three parts of the body are introduction, content and conclusion. Can anybody explain this? What do you mean by body? What do you mean by introduction? And what is introduction, content and conclusion? On the topic. What topic?
On the reason.
Yes, what?
On the subject and the reason we are giving.
No? What do you mean by introduction? The sender writes his introduction or her introduction and then writes the purpose of writing the letter. What is content? What does the writer expect or want from the reader? And what is conclusion? What do you understand by complimentary clause? Is signature necessary in a business mail? Email? No. Do you sign your email letters? You can scan your signature and put it there. The name of the sender and designation of the sender. What do you mean by designation and name? Your name and what is your designation? Now we come to the types of letters. A letter of inquiry. Now जितने भी letters आपको सामने नजर आ रहे हैं, you have to write such letters. Your next assignment is writing a letter of inquiry. Any inquiry. You want to go to for a vacation, write an inquiry to the rest house or to the hotel you want to stay. You want to learn some foreign language, write to the institute, give some inquiry, ask something, inquiry. As the name suggests, inquiry का letter का मतलब ही होता है कि you're writing for the first time to inquire something which you might want or need. So as the name suggests, this type of letter is the source of collecting information. An inquiry letter is what? It is a source of collecting information. People usually use a letter of inquiry as one of the most used business letters. सबसे अधिक कौन सा यूज होता है? इंक्वायरी लेटर यूज होता है इन बिजनेस लेटर. For any kind of work, for any kind of information, the first letter you write is of inquiry or formal letter. You are not taking down any notes and you will not be able to do anything further. जब नोट टेकिंग करेंगे नहीं तो आगे का रोड मैप कैसे होगा? पता कैसे चलेगा क्या करना है? A letter of inquiry helps a person to have information like some course or job inquiry, price of services and products, terms and order of work, working agreement, etc. One must always keep in mind. तो सबसे पहले think about what you will keep in mind when you are writing an inquiry letter. तो क्या क्या हो सकता है? You want to take admission in some course. You want to order something. You want to know the price of something. It can be just about anything. So what things will you keep in mind when you are writing an inquiry letter? सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? जैसा कि हमेशा होता है, the body should include. Start with the first thing first. It means ये क्यों? not able to see you.
You are able to see in mobile.
What?
I can change your
नीचे मौसम से बोले संजय हमसे बात करो
क्या चीज़?
आज आपका क्लास हम लोग में था
स्क्रीन चेंज हुआ भैया, मैं बताती हूँ आपको। मैं
तो हम लोग किससे बात करें
आई एम कमिंग नो। तो क्या क्या हुआ?
किससे मिले मौसम से बोले संजय हमसे मिलो बैंक को पूछो
आई एम कमिंग। चलिए आज के लिए इतना ही करते हैं हम लोग। एंड इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास प्लीज़ राइट अ लेटर ऑफ इंक्वायरी। कहीं जाना है, कहीं घूमना है, कुछ चीज़ें चाहिए, कुछ खाना मंगाना है। और दूंगा तो कहीं नहीं जाना है इसलिए। That's it for today.